Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to watch Netflix on your Linux machine. Specifically for this tutorial I will be using Ubuntu. Now I'm not a regular Ubuntu user, I actually use Arch Linux as my main operating system, but I had a spare hard drive lying around, so I figured out why not, let's just go ahead and install it, since it does offer some advantages such as better Steam support, as you can see. Now don't get me wrong, Steam works on many other different Linux versions, but it's a lot less work involved in getting it up and running properly for the most part. But anyway, the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to pipelight.net so that you can see what this is about. As you can see from the title, it's just a program that lets you run Windows plugins inside Linux browsers by using Wine in order to do this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to add the repository. We need to add the pipeline repository. So we go ahead and do that. Next, we go ahead and I'll just type it out and we update. So we do that. Alright, and once that has finished updating, you'll go ahead and you'll install Pipelight with the recommended defaults. Oops. And by the way, it's usually a pretty bad idea to just copy paste things into your terminal from the internet if you don't understand what you're doing. But basically, we're just installing Pipelight, so it's not that big of a deal, you know. I'm just really lazy and I don't want to type that out. I've already installed it, so that's actually why nothing is coming up, because I already have the latest version. But when you do install it, you will get a prompt uh, asking if you agree to the end user license agreement from Microsoft. So if you do agree, just hit accept and you can proceed as usual. So that will actually install quite a few different pieces of software, including the Microsoft fonts, which are required by Wine, as well as obviously the Pipelight program and all its dependencies. Once you do that, you'll want to go ahead and update Pipelight. So sudo pipelight-plugin update. So just go ahead and do that. Alright, next we are going to want to go ahead and get apparmor-utils. So apt-get. Now this step is required for Ubuntu because apparmor would usually block out the Silverlight plugin and it wouldn't let it run on Firefox. So that's what's necessary to do this. Oh, what did I type wrong? Apparmor. Yeah. Oh, install. My bad. So just go ahead and do that. And again, it's not doing anything because I already have the latest version. So then we are going to switch apparmor from enforce to complain so that it will let us run it. So usr.bin.firefox, and we do that. Okay, and next we are going to go ahead and well, as you can see from the command, create the Mozilla plugins. So do sudo, oops, pipelight-plugin, create, do that. Alright, and once you've done all of that, you should have Netflix working. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I will be closing everything out. just so that I can show you that it's working. Okay, so let's head over to, oh, by the way, I was leaving out a very important step. You will need a user agent installed in your browser, so you can do this as though in the form of an extension. The add-on that I'm using is user agent overrider, and basically what this is a program that lets you override the user agent string that would be the default for your browser. So that's this program right here. I've already installed it, so that's why I'm not adding it again. But you will need that because Netflix actually detects what operating system and what browser you're using. Um, the user agent strings that were included with this add-on were actually a bit out of date, so I had to do a Google search for the user string. This is literally what I searched for. Mozilla Windows user agent string. So just go to preferences. If you want to be neat and tidy, just add it under the operating system listed out here. Uh, the pound sign means comment, so that won't be showing up. And you just copy paste this from here to here, and you copy that and you paste it here. And this will be the name of the user agent string. So I just typed that out, Windows / Firefox 4.1, and then colons, and I pasted the string here and close it out. So now we have that available here, as you can see, under Windows Firefox. So currently my browser would be showing up as Firefox running on Windows. So we head over to netflix.com and we can go ahead and watch our favorite shows as we would on a Windows machine. Now my internet connection is a bit slow, so it does take a little bit to load, but as you can see, it's working now. Okay, so we have Netflix working. As you can see, full screen works and everything.